Welcome back to the channel, and previously on Live to Fish 64.
Looks like I got another project. Fella dropped off this boat. It's a 15-foot Capri Bayliner. It's got an 85 horse force motor, and he's having some issues. So I've got to take a look at that and maybe pull the carbs if I have to and do a carburetor overall. The throttle is what's giving him a problem. Okay, I got this throttle assembly adjusted properly. The way this works, and the handle was all loose, and full throttle was actually perpendicular to the floor the way it was. I just had to readjust it, tighten it up, and put it back. So basically you pull it out, and that's your start position. So when that happens, your throttle over there opens up just slightly to the detent, to the stop, so that it cannot idle any faster. So once it's warmed up, you bring it back, as you can see on the, if you can see it on the throttle, you can see it just slightly moves. That's bringing it back to idle. And again, partial throttle for high speed. You can see it move when I actuate it, pull it out, and actuate it to the fast position for fast idle. Throttle just slightly moves, and then you bring it back to the, again, to the, when it warms up, to the neutral position, and then you can hit this red button and you can throttle it forward. And you can see as I do that, that the throttle goes full throttle on the motor. So everything looks like it's adjusted properly now. So now we'll, when the carb kits come in, I'll put the carbs together, put the carbs back on the motor, and we'll try to fire it back up. Just wanted to mention one other thing. When the throttle is in the neutral position, you can see that the armature on the bracket here for the throttle is actuating the neutral switch. So you can see that little white button down here, and this armature or this bracket is touching that. So that means it's in neutral. So when I go to put it in here, or at least in the starting position, when I pull out in neutral, pull out and actuate that, it should still remain in neutral gear, in the neutral switch. And of course it does. So that means the throttle has been advanced. It's still in the neutral position, so you cannot spin the, or it doesn't lock up on the propeller. It still spins in each direction. So that means that it is in neutral, and that's good. That's where it should be, in neutral. So when I bring this back after, say, it's warmed up, you've had it on there long enough, it's warmed up, you bring it back to the idle position. That should be the normal idle position. Engine's still in neutral. And I can prove that by showing you again the neutral switch. See the neutral switch? The bracket is just under the neutral switch, as you can see. So engine's still in neutral. Now, when I go to put her in gear, I lift up on the red button, advance full throttle. Now you can see this is where the bracket is now. That's the neutral switch. That's full advance, and the throttle has been pushed all the way forward. And that's what we're looking for. So when I'm ready to put the carbs back together, it will be ready and ready for a bucket test. So
stay tuned for part 3, and you'll see this thing running.